PUC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ನೀಟ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಾಗಿ ಸೊಲಾನೆಸಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ BV ಕೃಷ್ಣ BVK ಅವರಿಂದ ಸುಲಭ ಸರಳ ವಿವರಣೆ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮರೆಯದೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನೀಟ್ ಎದುರಿಸುವಂತಹ PUC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗಿಡದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Those who are going to appear for NEET examination, especially the PUC students, need to know about the family Solanaceae. Family Solanaceae. Here is family Solanaceae, one member called Datura by name, Solanaceae family. Solanaceae family. It is a Gamopetalous family, that means petals are fused. Coming to the habitat of this plant, as you know very well, it is the terrestrial habitat. Habit herb again, and weak and juicy stem. It has weak and juicy stem, and as it is a dicot plant, taproot system. Habitat terrestrial, habit herb, root taproot system, stem weak and juicy. And coming to the leaves is, I will plant one this way. So leaves arrangement. If you see the arrangement of the leaves, alternate arrangement, simple leaves with the alternate arrangement. So alternate arrangement, that is very important. Simple leaves, alternate arrangement. Petiolate, extupulate, ovate, reticulate, entire acute. Reticulate means, and here is an important characteristic feature of Solanaceae is unequal leaf base. You see, can you see? In almost all leaves you can see the equal leaf base, but it is unequal leaf base, which is very important characteristic feature of the family Solanaceae. Coming to the inflorescence, single flower. That is solitary cymose type of inflorescence. Coming to the flower, here it is pedicellate condition, ebracteate condition, actinomorphic, regular flower. When we cut from any plane, it gives two equal parts. Regular flower, that is actinomorphic, bisexual. You can see both androecium and gynoecium. Complete hypogynous. Heteroclamidious. Heteroclamidious means calyx and corolla can be differentiated. So this is the calyx and this is the corolla. I will pluck you to show the important. And this calyx is gamosepalous. You see, sepals are fused. That is gamosepalous condition, valvate estivation. Arrangement of sepal petal called estivation, valvate estivation. Coming to the corolla, you can observe very well, that is gamopetalous condition. This is also very important point. Gamopetalous condition and valvate estivation. And so this is the androecium. Coming to the androecium, see, so there are 5 stamens and 1 stigma. Stigma is gynoecium part. This is stigma, gynoecium part. And here there are 5 stamens. That means definite. Within 10 number, that is definite. Dithecous. And moreover this, the important point in this family is stamens are arranged above the petals. You see, this is the petal and stamens are arranged above the petals. All the 5 you can see clearly, that is epipetalous condition is another important characteristic feature of this family, diagnostic character also, epipetalous condition. In almost all gamopetalous families we can see epipetalous condition. Coming to the gynoecium, bicarpellary, syncarpous, superior ovary, axile placentation, and the female part is gynoecium. So this is the female part. It consists of ovary, ovules, style and stigma part. So this is the gynoecium, bicarpellary, syncarpous, superior ovary, axial placentation. And coming to the fruit, very important fruit is, so you see this fruit, it is a capsule, dry dehiscent fruit which breaks open at maturity at many sites, and the spine like outgrowths are present on the ovary. and fruit is a ripened ovary. Ripened ovary. So this is capsule, capsule fruit, dry dehiscent fruit which breaks open at maturity along all the sides, and the seeds are endospermic. Seeds are endospermic. And the other plants of economic importance which belongs to this family Solanaceae are the very important thing. This is Hyoscomus plant, Hyoscomus niger, which is used as a neurotonic, and this is another plant, ಕಾಶಿ ಗಿಡ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರ. ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಶಿ ಗಿಡ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರ. ಇದು ಕಾಶಿ ಗಿಡ ಅಂತ. Solanum nigrum, and this is tomato, Lycopersicum, and brinjal, Solanum melangina, and chilies, capsicum. These are the other plants of economic importance, and datura, especially few species of datura, are medicinal plants. So that's all. So important characters ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, simple leaves, unequal leaf base irutte, solitary cymose type of inflorescence, flowers pedicellate, ebracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, complete, hypogynous, heteroclambinous. Calyx corolla can be differentiated. Calyx fused gamosepals, corolla fused gamopetals, and valvate estivation. Androecium, epipetalous condition. Dithecus, definitely dithecus, epipetalous condition. Gynoecium bicarpillary, syncarpus, superior ovary, axial placentation. Fruit also very important. Dry dehiscent capsule fruit, seeds endospermic. That's all. So Solanaceae family clearly explanation ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So coming to the habitat, it is terrestrial. Habit, herbs, shrubs and trees. For example, Solanum grandiflora is a tree, and then root taproot system, stem V-conjugacy in case of herbs, erectile in case of shrubs and trees. So after stem, leaves, simple, alternate, petiolate, extuplate, ovate, reticulate, entire, acute with unequal leaf base. That is another important characteristic feature of Solanaceae. And inflorescence, solitary cymose, as in datura ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, single flower, solitary cymose or cymose type of inflorescence, old at the top and young at the base. And the flowers pedicellate, bracteate or ebracteate ಕೆಲವರಲ್ಲಿ, and then actinomorphic, bisexual, complete, hypogynous, heteroclambinous. Calyx fused gamosepalous. And another important characteristic feature of calyx, for example, here we can see the calyx persistent calyx is another important characteristic feature of the family Solanaceae, and imbricate or valvate estivation. And coming to the corolla, again important characteristic feature, gamopetalous condition, valvate or twisted estivation can also be seen as in datura. And the androecium, epipetalous condition, stamens, definite dithecus, interspersing by longitudinal slits, epipetalous condition. That means the stamens are again above the petals. And gynoecium, bicarpillary, syncarpus, superior ovary, axial placentation, obliquely placed ovary, and the fruit is a capsule. Capsule means a dry dehiscent fruit which breaks open at maturity at many sites. And seeds are endospermic. The other plants of economic importance, Solanum melangina is brinjal. Solanum tuberosum is potato plant. And Lycopersicum esculentum is tomato plant. Nicotiana tabacum is tobacco plant. Hyoscomus is used as neurotonic, which is a medicinal plant. And datura and atropa belladonna are the hallucinogenic plants. Hallucination means they produce state of hallucination, seeing something which is not present. So this is about the economic importance and the explanation about the family